Hi everybody. Google Chrome is my default browser which I am using regularly. I like the browser too. But recently I have noticed some strange behavior here. Whenever I open Google Chrome, in the address bar it will be empty and the Google search area will be displayed, text area will be displayed, and whenever I type anything it will directly go and appear in the address bar. So that is not the usual behavior of the Google search page. So what I found is, when we observe here, instead of searching things with Google, it is searching with V9 search. So it is searching with the help of some other search engine. So after searching through internet, I found that some people are given some information, that is, this V9 is a kind of virus and it is doing some activity. It is hijacker kind of virus something. So some solutions were given in some website how to remove. They are saying uninstall, go to control panel, uninstall. I tried all those things, but it was not working exactly, and some solutions were given so that we can use some antiviruses online, offline, and we can clean it. So I tried that ways too. But what I noticed is the shortcut which we have for the Google Chrome. So right button click, see the properties. So normally in the properties, the shortcut area, the target area, the text area in which the name of the executable file will be given. So what I have noticed is, after this executable file name, I found something else here. So I modified it and I put google.com so that it will be opening as my home page whenever I open the Google Chrome. So if I give some other website, it is opening. So that means this is an argument or a parameter for this executable file chrome.exe. So when the system was infected with some kind of virus or malware, whatever, I don't know what it is exactly. So I found a key, registry key entry here with H key, some details and some values were given. Some H key value was set, and that value was given as the argument for this Google Chrome. So I deleted the part after the Google Chrome.exe and the double quotation. That means the arguments I have removed. Afterwards Google Chrome was working fine. So still I am not sure whether the virus or whatever infected is cleared from my system or not. At present it is not troubling me when I am searching or when I am using the Google Chrome browser. So if you also have some kind of problem like this, I think for a temporary removal of this execution of this virus or threat, you can remove the argument given after the exe file. You can take it from the target and you can save it, apply it, and you can make it okay. Then whenever you open Google Chrome, you will be the default way. Google search engine will be coming, the page for the Google search engine. And if you want to find some more details, there are some details given in many sites discussion forums, but I couldn't remove the virus permanently. So if you get some details, please post it so that it will be helpful for all of us. And one thing more, I suppose this will be the case of the other browsers too, Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. So all the files, there will be an exe file, and after the exe file in the target area, if there is something else given, that will be the argument. So if you don't want the argument to be executed, delete that argument, only use the target. Otherwise, if you want the Google Chrome, google.com or some of your favorite website to be opened whenever you open the Google Chrome, then you type it and give it as argument and remove those H key values, the registry entries and all, which we don't require. Cancel it, delete it, and apply the effect. I suppose you will be free from this kind of infection. Thank you for watching. Bye.